Hello friends, I am so excited about today's video because today I am sharing with you the gender of our baby and I am so excited. This video is extra special because not only am I sharing it with you guys, my friends and family here on YouTube, but with this quarantine and everything, we're not able to do like a gender reveal party or anything like that. So this is my way to share with everyone what we are having. Now, I am challenging you not to look in the comments and get a sneak peek of what we are having. Watch it till the end. I hope you guys love this. It was so much fun to put together for you. But let's do this.